Oh, she's going for a jump serve. Domasig. Tudlasan. And there you go. Arellano's leading scorer gets on the board. Laika Tudlasan.
I remember kay last game ni EAC, si Aliment, sobrang daming service aces sa last set. But then again, pati yung pressure mo pa sa sarili mo. Oh, that was a good play.
Laika, check out.
And Tudlasan getting a point from the second attempt. Gusto ko talaga yung distribution dito ni Domasig. Bibigay niya sa middle, bibigay niya sa outside, bibigay niya sa back row. Alam mo yung kahit ako yung blocker, middle blocker doon, may hilo ko eh.
Another ace from Laika Tudlasan.
Sabi nga ni Coach Rod ng EAC na
so 4 setters on the floor, all in all. Oh! Alex Razonable rising up.
Razonable contributing at the back row. This time, in the front row naman. Kanina kasi Anton, mga cross-court attacks ginagawa niya. Ngayon, puro down the line naman.
Alex Razonable, add to cart, check out. Puntos para sa EAC. Domasig. Tudlasan.
Tudlasan getting that point with the help of the blockers. Kung ginawa rin ni Razonable, gagawin din niya ni Tudlasan. Parang tinap nga lang niya yung bola eh. Like hindi niya intention na ilagay sa loob ng court. Parang pinatama lang talaga niya sa hands ng blockers.
Alex. Adante picks it up. Padillon. Buhay pa to. Razonable. Adante again. Moming. Oh, Villena has to set. Razonable.
Ooh, that's inside.
Oh, may check.
Yes. Razonable avoiding the libero of Arellano here. Targeting zone 6.
Grabe, busy coaching staff ngayon. O Mapas back.